Hi, this is Brittany from hand2mind. This is our Teach at Home math video series. This is week 12, day 5. Today, we are going to use the Reckon Rec again. And today, we get to use something that's really cool with it. You know how the top row equals 10? Well, we're always going to remember that row equaling 10, and that's going to help us with certain numbers that we think about, like our team numbers. So come join me today as we learn how our team numbers are written and why they might be written in this way.
So today we're going to start by doing an activity where I'm just going to ask you how many you see. So how many cubes do you see? Did you say 12? Yeah, and then how do you know that's 12? How many of you are like, well, I looked at this and I saw that that was a group of 10, and then there were 2 more, and so 10 and 2 is 12. Yeah, and then when I look at the number 12, what do you notice about the number 12? The 12 is composed of a 1, or it has a 1 and a 2 when I write it. But this 1 doesn't mean 1. It means one group of 10. It's one group of 10. And so I can think of 12 as 10 and 2, which is kind of a really nice way of thinking about your team numbers. Okay, so let's look at what we're going to do next is we're going to use the Reckon Rec to work on this idea. So I'm going to use Braining Camp, and we're going to put 2 rows on here. And remember, when we use the Reckon Rec, the way that we do that is we pull over the beads. And so I'm going to pull over some beads, and we're going to look right here. So this is where you're going to look, and I'm going to ask you how many and how do you see it? So I'm going to ask you how many and how do you see it? Are you ready? Here we go. How many? 10. And how do you see 10? Yeah, you say, I see 10 because I see you pulled over the whole row on that top row, and that is 10. Okay, nice job. Okay, so let's do another one. Here we go. How many? 13. And how do you see 13? I see 13 as 10. You see that top row right there? Yes. And then you have 3 on the bottom row. So 13 is made up of 10 and 3. It has one group of 10. And then it has the 3 loose ones. That's pretty nice. Okay, so let's do another one. How many? You got 15. And how do you know it's 15? How many of you are like, well, I see that 10, and when those beads are all over that, I know that's 10. And then all the red beads on the bottom mean that that's 5. So 10 and 5 make 15. So again, when I think of 15, I can think of it as 10 and 5, especially when I write it, because that 1 represents one group of 10. That's really interesting. So let's try another one. How many? You get 18. And how do you know it's 18? Yeah, there's that 10 again. I know that's 10. And then I know this is 8. And you might know that's 8 because you look over here and you know it's just 2 less than 10. So that's 8. That could be a way. But 18 is composed of 10 and 8. So when I write 18, this 1 is representing that one group of 10. Interesting. Let's do one more. How many? 20. And how do you know it's 20? Oh, it's 10 and 10 because all the beads are slid over. So this is 10 and this is 10. Now let's look at how we write 20. See that 2 right there? That 2 is telling us there's one group of 10, there's 2 groups of 10, so there's 2 10s. So that's why that is written like 20. That's really a nice idea. So today we've been working on that idea of looking at our numbers in those groups of 10 because that helps us when we're writing our number or we're thinking about our numbers. So if you'd like to work more on this idea, go to hand2mind.com where you can download more activities. Hope you all have a great rest of the day.